Assalamu alaikum Moroccan family. Today we are going to cook very famous dish of Morocco called couscous with tafaya, a flavorful Moroccan dish combining sweet caramelized onions, tender chicken and steamed couscous, perfectly balanced with savory and sweet notes. So let's get started. In a large bowl, place 500 grams of couscous, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and gently mix to coat all the grains. Gradually add 1 cup of water. Mix well and let it rest for 10 minutes. In the bottom pot of steamer basket, heat half cup of olive oil. Add 1 kg of chicken legs, 2 cups of sliced onions, and then add the following spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour in 1.5 liters of hot water and bring to a boil. Then add 3 to 5 peeled carrot wedges. Simmer for 30 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix the couscous and transfer it to the top steamer basket and steam for 20 minutes. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Moroccan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy update. After 20 minutes, remove the top steamer basket and add 250 to 350 grams of pumpkin wedges, parsley bundle, and 2 cups of tomato puree. Cook for another 30 minutes until the veggies are tender. Now transfer back the couscous from basket to the bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 1 cup of water. Mix well. Transfer couscous to the top steamer basket and steam again 20 minutes until fluffy and tender. For tafaya, in a pot, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 3 cups thinly sliced onions. Then add the following spices: 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt. Then pour in 2 cups of water and cook on low to medium heat until the liquid is reduced by half. Then add half cup of pre-soaked raisins and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Cook until the mixture is soft and caramelized. Once everything is ready, in a large serving dish, layer the steamed couscous first. Arrange the chicken pieces on top, followed by the cooked veggies. Spoon over some chicken sauce. Top with the tafaya. Serve hot and enjoy this iconic Moroccan delight. Happy cooking and see you next time.